In a LCR circuit are connected in series with an alternating voltage source of frequency f. The current leads by the voltage by 45 degrees. The value of C is, now the information which is given, they say that all are in series. So this is inductor, this is resistor, and there is a capacitor. They are connected with a alternating supply which has the frequency f, right? Now this is L, this is C, and this will be R. Now one more information is given, that phi is equal to 45 degree and which leads. So that leads, so if I draw a phasor diagram, so our phasor diagram says, this is our phasor diagram. So suppose that this is our phasor diagram. So this will be voltage, and if this is the voltage, then current leads by voltage by 45 degree. That means current will be this situation. So current is making 45 degree angle with this. So in order to current lead, what should be more? So that means XC and XL has to be, if I draw another diagram just to show you. So if this is the current and voltage, that means this is resistance, this is XC, okay, reactance of capacitor and reactance of coil. So if current leads, that means XC will be greater than XL, perfect. And we know that tan phi, that means if you draw the phasor diagram, that means XC minus XL will be like this. This will be XC minus XL, and this is your resistance. That means net will be something like this, right? And if you draw the vector like this, this will be phi. So this is XC minus XL. So from this diagram I can say that tan phi is equal to XC minus XL divided by R, and tan phi will be tan 45. Tan 45 is going to be XC minus XL divided by R, which gives us 1. So from there I can say XC minus XL is equal to R, right? Now solve this condition for C. So how do we solve? Let me remove this all things which are not needed now. So using the equation XC minus XL is equal to R, we know that XC is going to be 1 upon omega C and XL is going to be omega into L. So if you put the value, you get 1 upon XC minus omega into L will be is equal to R only. And as we know, this is omega into L. So this omega, as we know that omega is equal to 2 pi f only. So if you put the value, you get 1 upon 2 pi f into C minus 2 pi f into C is equal to R. Now what do I need? I need C, the value of C. So let's take 1 upon 2 pi f. This will be L. So 1 upon 2 pi fc is equal to R plus 2 pi fl, right? And now from there I can actually reverse this equation. So taking reciprocal, 2 pi fc is equal to 1 upon R plus 2 pi fl, and the value of C is coming out to be 1 upon R plus 2 pi fl into 2 pi f. So this has to be the right choice. So let's see the options. So if I see the options, only one option is there. Option number 1 is there, which gives us the right expression. Okay, so this has to be the right choice. Yeah.